Hey, what's going on, guys? Toto Tech here. Welcome back to another PC build partless review video. So the price point for this video is $900, but we were able to save $1.60. So hopping right into it, for the case, we chose the Cooler Master Masterbox MB311L. It's a ARGB Airflow Micro ATX tower with a tempered glass side panel. Next, we went with the Western Digital Blue 2TB PC hard drive. So Seagate is actually running out of hard drives, and I couldn't find any 2 TB. And I really prefer Seagate over anything else, but Western Digital is my second go-to. And for our SSD, we chose the ADATA SU800 256 GB. And for our processor, I went with the Intel Core i5-8400. This is a 6-core processor going up to 4.0 GHz. And then for the RAM, I chose the Alloy DDR4 RAM 16 GB rated at 3000 MHz. And for the motherboard, I went with a Gigabyte B365M DS3H. Next, for the fans, you are going to be able to save one of these fans for like repairs or if you need a replacement. So for the fans, we went with the UpPure 120mm wireless RGB fans. This comes in a 3-pack, and they are actually pretty good fans for the budget. And then for the GPU, we chose the Asus GeForce GTX 1650 Super. And for the power supply to power all this, we chose the GameMax power supply 700 watt 80 plus bronze semi-modular. So guys, to minimize all the clutter that you will have in this build, GameMax actually makes some good power supplies by their reviews. So I'm going off based off reviews for their products. And I kind of wanted to try to fit an 80 plus bronze, but we were actually able to snag a deal for a semi-modular version. So this will help with cable management for all you ACD people. Then we were able to even sneak in a Cooler Master Master Liquid ML120 RGB V2 liquid cooler, which is good because this is AMD and Intel compatible. So if you chose to switch out the motherboard and CPU for Intel or for Ryzen based stuff, then there you go. So ending now, our price point ended up at $898.40. So guys, we were able to save $1.60. So that just sneaks right under the $900 price point. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up for this video. If you guys did enjoy at any point, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, remember that the parts in this video are listed in the description below, so you guys can add this to your Amazon cart. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys later. Have a nice day. Goodbye, folks.